Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you SiriusXM how to cancel account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To cancel your SiriusXM subscription, the process varies depending on how you initially subscribed. So if you are subscribed directly through the SiriusXM via their website or in-card trial, what you need to do is head over and open up your browser, then on the search bar type in SiriusXM.com account. Then once you are here, tap on the three horizontal bar which is located at the top right corner of your screen, then log into your account. Now once logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on this three horizontal bar once again and then tap on help and support. Now once you are here, what you need to do is visit the page and then chat with an agent, or you can call the SiriusXM customer service care at 1-888-635-8641 and be prepared for potential retention offers during the call. Then you can also, if you're subscribed via third-party platform, simply head over and open up the settings, then tap on your Apple ID name, then tap on subscriptions, and inside here find the subscription of the SiriusXM, then simply tap on it, and all you gotta do is tap on cancel this subscription and follow the on-screen prompts to successfully cancel your account. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.